The National Weather Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Liberty County in southeastern Texas, southeastern Polk County in southeastern Texas, until 1:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 1:10 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Votal, or near Thicket, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northern Liberty and southeastern Polk counties. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 3 p.m. Central Standard Time for southeastern Texas. A tornado watch also remains in effect until 5 p.m. Central Standard Time for southeastern Texas.